Step into the world of architectural design and visualization with the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action, the ultimate tool for transforming photos and designs into realistic architectural sketches. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action empowers architects, designers, and artists to create stunning architectural sketches with ease. Realistic sketch effects. The Archi Sketch Photoshop Action applies realistic sketch effects to your photos and designs, giving them an authentic hand-drawn look and feel. From fine lines and hatching to shading and texture, the action accurately replicates the techniques used in traditional architectural sketching, resulting in stunning and lifelike sketches. Customization options. Tailor the sketch effects to your specific needs with customizable settings that allow you to control every aspect of the sketching process. Adjust parameters such as line intensity, shading strength, and sketch detail to achieve the perfect look for your architectural sketches. Easy-to-use interface. The Archi Sketch Photoshop Action features an easy-to-use interface that makes creating architectural sketches quick and effortless. With a user-friendly layout and straightforward controls, users of all skill levels can quickly master the action and create professional quality sketches in minutes. Whether you're an architect, interior designer, or urban planner, the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action provides you with the tools you need to bring your architectural designs to life with stunning hand-drawn sketches. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to transform your architectural designs into stunning sketches? Visit the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action page today and discover the power of architectural sketching with the Archi Sketch Photoshop Action.